Right guys, as I'm currently editing this video, I've realised that I haven't actually filmed a proper introduction to this first vlog, or given really any context as to why we're here or what we're doing. So as you guys can tell, we are currently in West Wales. It is currently, as I'm filming this, day 4, however I've just started editing as I forgot my laptop charger and it has just arrived today, so now I'm able to pile all my footage on there and actually start editing. However, Aberporth is a place which I come here literally all my life growing up as a kid. It's a great place with loads and loads and loads of different activities, as it's right on the coast. If you have the right equipment, you can do so much. Hence why I thought I would vlog pretty much every day down here. But yeah, as of this vlog that you're watching, it is currently the first day. Me and my cousin Bowie went to Thorpe Park yesterday, or from the vlog yesterday, and arrived in Aberporth in West Wales at about 1 o'clock last night. We've now woken up and pretty much chucked our clothes on and are heading straight to the beach. We heard that there were dolphins just outside of the bay. We decided to hop on our kayaks and go see how close we could get to them, and we managed to capture some pretty amazing footage. So without further ado, let's jump back into the video. So at the top over there, that top is where we tend to go cliff jumping. Obviously the tide's out right now, so it's not the best, but yeah, around here there's like a little lagoon down here, so when the tide comes up, we tend to, that's the big one which we jump off, and then there's a few little small ones down here. But it's really nice when the tide comes up, because there's a nice little lagoon around here, and it's awesome for cliff jumping. It's also great to access as well, because it's right along this cliff path. Extraordinarily sunny today, it's amazing, but it's supposed to be like this all week, so fingers crossed that it stays like this and I'll be able to get some really good footage of us cliff jumping on the beach, doing loads of different stuff.
I hear 'em chat to the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear 'em chat with the boys, man so tough but mans keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls let it tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan, if you wanna touch man please use caution. Cold like 0 degrees.
What's your name? Where'd you come from?
Bro, Edward's T5, then my end, falsely on there, man. I'll fuck you up, count.
Hiya.
Oh my god. Heading out to sea. Follow them.
Right, so just to clarify a little bit as to what's going on. Sorry, I'm not too sure if there's water on the lens. I'm really hoping there's not. So we've walked down to the beach, which was absolutely packed. We sort of messed around on some of the kayaks for a bit. My mum and dad ended up paddling out on the double kayak, which me and Bowie are currently on right now. So basically, they came back and we nicked it from them, and they said there's dolphins just off the point of the MOD base, which is just by there. So we paddled out by here. And as you can see by some of the clicks that we were putting in, we came really close to some of the dolphins that were out here. We also bumped into some massive barrel jellyfish as well, 2 of them. But I don't think I've ever been this close to some of the dolphins before. We've seen quite a few dolphin sightings out here, just outside of the bay, over the past few years, but not as close as that. That was pretty much like, one of them nearly landed on Bowie. Like, it was really close, isn't it? It was really good. I think we're just gonna start paddling back towards the beach now, as I don't know if you can see, but just the beach is just around that point over there. So it's quite a way out, but it probably only take like 5 minutes or so to paddle back in. So I've currently just stopped off at this little cliff jumping place where we tend to go. The cliff path is literally up all along there and follows all around the coast, so I've decided to take my skateboard out and I've just been skating across the cliff path as the sun is setting. Show you the little edge. As you can see, it's quite a far way down. But the sun's currently setting and it's a beautiful view. I've left a camera. My friend's helping me film a time lapse of the sunset, as recently the sunset has been amazing coming down. Apparently it's been really, really pink, as you can see so far, but I'm hoping the time lapse is going to be a lot better. However, I did hope you guys enjoyed that video today. I seem to get quite a bit of clips of, you know, some jellyfish and some dolphins that seem to be out today. However, over the next few days I should be filming some clips of us doing some other activities like cliff jumping and hopefully some surfing as well, and we should be getting a speedboat out as well. So it should be a jam-packed filled few days. Like I said, I'll be doing tons and tons of activities down here, so I'll be keeping you all updated with what I'm doing, and hopefully I'll be able to upload really, really frequently. But nonetheless, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with all the videos I'll be posting on this channel. But hopefully I'll see you all in the next video.